Aroma Coffee Stick Sachet Assorting Counting Machine is provided by Shanghai FUBO Machinery Company. Automatic bag sorting machine sorts the disordered products that have been packaged, separates and outputs them one by one for the next packaging. According to the customer's needs for product packaging, the appropriate packing production line can be customized to achieve fully automated packaging. It can be connected and used with different equipment such as multifunctional packaging machines, counting and collecting machines, and cartoning machines. Stick sachet sorting machine including functions: hopper chute, lift conveyor, hoist unit, sensor, bag pressing device, conveyor roller, brush with motor, control panel, finished product conveyor. Machines are controlled by PLC system.